Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to use voice lines in Valorant. Basically, voice lines are like the character voice lines. So basically each character has its own voice lines and you can use these voice lines in order to communicate with your team. So there is multiple ways in order to use these voice lines. One of them is pretty much simple. Just go ahead into settings and here you go to controls and communication. Check if you have the voice line in here. So let's check period radio. So radio commands menu index, tax security index, and radio command leaks. So these ones, make sure that you have them on. So for example, for me, I have this one. So make sure to have any one of these with like any key combined to it. And if you want to a game, so let's click on play custom game and let's go to a practice range, open range, enter game. You will find that let's wait a little bit. Here we go. So let's get into the game. And basically each champion has its own voice line. So for example, if I choose here Jet, as you can see, and clicked over here, you'll find on the key, so I have comma, so make sure to change that to comma. So as you can see here, let me just reduce the voice a little bit. So as you can see guys, um if I go here and I want to controls communication all the way down, comma. So if I click on comma, you'll find that I can caution, take points, my way, watching area, and so go on. And you can change even that with your cursor. So there's the social and strategy ones. So basically that was it. If you change it to any other champion, they will be changing to their own lines and etc. So yeah guys, that's how you can use voice lines in Valorant. I hope to learn something from this video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.